Hi, good morning. Today is LA under lockdown day 1. It is almost 9 in the morning. I have already dropped off my son. There's absolutely no traffic today, so I got there way early. He was the only big kid in his class. So our preschool is very small. With the teachers, it's 35 kids, and for the city that we're in, it requires it to be over, first it was 250 and now it's over 50, and we're still under that. So some moms are taking their kids out of preschool, some moms are doing half day. Today I'm gonna pick him up early, but I have a lot of things to do because I just opened up a stationery store in Chinatown, Los Angeles, and everything is going on lockdown. So I'm trying to figure out a lot of things to kind of figure things out. How I'm gonna pay the bills and how we're gonna stay open. I just touched my face. I know, scary stuff. So we did a thing of shipping for free on our website, and it did really well. So I packaged all the stuff yesterday at the store. The store was open, but no one was out and about. So I had a lot of time to package everything. I made it super cute inside, so when they open it, it's like a little gift, and I'm really proud of that. So I just got here to the post office. It's pretty quiet. Usually this post office is busy, but there's nobody here. I'm sure everyone's like, don't go anywhere where there's people. I'm gonna drop this off, and then I need to get gas. So hopefully Costco gas is still open. And then yesterday I went looking for rice at the Asian market, and I went to this Asian market in downtown that nobody goes to. It's always so empty. I went and it was so busy. The aisles were all empty. The lines at the cash register were so long. One lady was telling us that it's gonna take us an hour to check out. It didn't take us an hour, but it took like a good 30-40 minutes. So weird times. I have lots to do. And then my husband is also working from home, and he has a meeting, a phone meeting or Skype meeting earlier today, so he couldn't come out, but I have some bone broth that I'm drinking today. Just trying to keep myself healthy. I woke up with a very dry throat. I'm like, no! So I'm just trying to drink a lot of liquids and make sure I don't catch anything. But anyways, let's just go inside, shall we? Okay, I'm back. This is a weird angle, but the new norm is after you go anywhere, you hand sanitize. Getting gas, and then I look over at the crowd waiting to get into Costco. There's a line, and they open in another 30 minutes. It is cuckoo bananas today. One good note though, Costco gas was $2.98 a gallon. So normally my car is $30 to fill up or so. Today was $23. Yay! Now I am headed over to the Asian market to see if I can find rice and if I can hoard all the rice. Everyone's hoarding. Okay, here we go. I'm home, and luckily my husband made coffee, and this is muffins he made yesterday that I'm gonna eat. One thing I've been doing is I've been changing my clothes when I get into the house, just so that if there are any germs I can leave them out there. My sweatshirt I'm gonna change in a minute. I'm washing it right now, so I'm gonna change that. And right now, since Mondays usually my store is closed anyways, it's the day that I just try to catch up on drawing. So I have my sketchbook here of like all the things I've been drawing for cards and ideas that I have. So I'm gonna draw a little bit more on that. But I also took Atelier modern brush lettering this weekend at our workshop, and so I've been wanting to practice this all weekend, so I might do that. It comes with a whole set of pens, and I think this one's my favorite one. Right here is the sign pen and from Zebra. We're gonna try to get it into the shop, but yeah, I've been practicing a little bit, but I need to get back to it. So she gives you this. So this is when you trace, and then this is what I've done. Look how squiggly that is. But anyways, it is oddly satisfying, oddly relaxing. So I might work on this and then head into drawing some ideas. So I just got a phone call from Everest School. Because of Trump speaking on TV right now, he just announced that anywhere with gathering of 10 or more should be shut down. That means there's no school starting tomorrow. I was able to file my seller's permit stuff online. It took me longer than I thought. And I think Sunny's taking a bath right now, but after that maybe we might go hunt for rice again because I didn't have any luck. And if my son's gonna be here, then we need to figure it out. So we'll see.
Would you like to try the King's Hawaiian Fish Deluxe served on the King?
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hi, yeah, I have a coupon for 2 can dine for $10.99.
We got out of the house to grab some food. We grabbed some Arby's because we had coupons.
Yes.
It's this guy's birthday tomorrow, so we're celebrating early. Let's eat.
Still out here living.
How is it?
It tastes like freedom. Well, until they take away this fast food. Here we go.
Here at another Asian market, I'm gonna see if I can find some rice. That guy just walked in and he walked right back out. I wonder why.
Hey, if I have to grab a bag and take it out of someone's car, we're gonna get some rice.
There's instant cooked rice. Limit 1 bag per person. No, those are oats. Oh, they have tiny bags.
Alright, that's better than nothing. Alright guys, we're surviving. We got rice, we got milk. Hey look, we even got comfy slippers. We're set.
This place actually has milk. It's crazy. This one's not as chaotic as the other ones that I've been to. Now we're looking for eggs. Eggs? Oh no, this milk is gonna go bad. It's raining and gloomy out, but we had a successful rice purchase and milk, which I haven't been able to find in any of the stores. We even grabbed some wine, Cheerios for E. So I'm feeling pretty good about today's haul. And now Sunny's inside CVS to see if he can find any hand sanitizing stuff just to keep the house extra clean. But yeah. I'm glad we get to end the video on a good note. We went to Costco to get gas.
I mean, the world ending? Fake news, I guess.
I don't know. Well, this one seems calm for now. We're just gonna see if we can get some eggs and maybe some bread. Anything you want?
Yeah, I need to stock up on underwear.
Grab some croissants because all the other breads, if you can see, are all gone. And that back row over there, that's supposed to be bread. But I'm happy with this. This is our, how many, the third store today?
Yeah. People need their cheese.
Ralph's, and we're trying to find cheese. I got some tortillas, and this is for sandwiches. They're all gone. A lot of things are gone here too. We are at Target because we wanted to grab something real quick. Everything is gone. Even the dog food is gone. But a popular area, board games. So many people. Someone's been watching a lot of Harry Potter, so what did you find?
What are we gonna get you? What is this? Here, show how it works. And you say Expelliarmus.
Someone's excited. I think Dad's more excited than us.
Gonna take a magic spell to get this thing out. What?
How do you use it? Oh no! Use a magic spell.